Hello kids, today we are going to learn about the beautiful rainbow and its colors. Are you ready to explore? What is a rainbow? A rainbow is like a colorful arc in the sky. It happens when sunlight and rain mix together. It's so magical. The rainbow has 7 colors. Red, the first color is red, like an apple. Orange, the second color is orange, like an orange fruit. Yellow, the third color is yellow, like the bright sun. Green, the fourth color is green, like grass and trees. Blue, the fifth color is blue, like the sky and the ocean. Indigo, the sixth color is indigo, like a blueberries. Violet, the last color is violet, like some pretty flowers. So remember the rainbow has 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning videos.